My name is Mason Scaggs. I'm a lead electrician here at Intermountain Electronics. I'm from Flatwoods, Kentucky. That's where I live. My father was an electrician. That's what got me into the trade itself. And I wanted to expand my knowledge. Electricity is forever changing, and I wanted to be a part of that change in that process. So he owns a residential business. So we primarily dealt with residential customers and light commercial customers. We would wire up houses and run circuitry, all with Romex, and we didn't really bend a whole lot of conduit or do any of the industrial side of things. We kept it more with the home side. I did attend a local college, ACTC, and I got a 2-year degree in electrical technology through them. With that and my previous experience as an electrician with my dad's business, I was able to get my foot in the door here. I started at the ground. Actually, whenever I started, the supervisor over final assembly gave me 2 weeks to pick up. And I picked up in those 2 weeks and worked hard, came in every day, never called off, got to where I'm at now. When I come in, I didn't know a lot of industrial. My knowledge was very, very slim. And they put the time and the effort into me. They grew me to be an industrialized electrician. So they will work with you, this company will work with you, and they want you to succeed. Our products are customized, engineered power distribution equipment. So anywhere in the power distribution industry we have our hands in, oil, gas, mining, solar, wind, data, people will want to move power from one place to the other. That's where we come in. We have a strong engineering team, and we have a strong electrical team that coincides together. We have multiple departments in fab, laser, paint, and then final assembly is my department. So we will get raw material in through our warehouse manager. He will give it to our laser operator. Those parts will be lasered, bent, and then given to our fab department, which will erect the structure. It will go outside, it'll get acid washed, brought back in, paint primed, and then given to our final assembly team. We have a electrical set of prints and a mechanical set of prints. The mechanical gives us our entire layout of whatever project we're working on, and our electrical is how everything is integrated and wired. So the leads will take those prints, we'll gather up all of our material, we'll get our team situated, everybody will have a designated task, and we'll get that building done. One day you may be putting up strut and cable tray, bending conduit, and the next day you may be terminating control and 35 kV switchgear. So each day is a different day. No day is the same. I will have a team designated to me by our supervisor, and we will go through whichever project we're on. We will look through the prints. If we're just starting, we'll look through prints and we'll gather up material, and we'll get everybody a good plan, and they know what to do, and we'll tackle that thing 100%. It is a variety of skill levels. We have people with basic intermediate knowledge, and then we have people like myself that are leads of these projects, and we also have contractors in here. And everybody's skill base is at a different level. I work with them, I mount the equipment with them, I bend the conduit with them, I will teach them, show them how to do things. There's not an answer that I can't find for them. I'll have some people set up on bus work, I'll have some people set up on cable tray, I'll have others set up on mounting equipment. And there's an order of operations that we follow. And for each building, it's pretty much the same. You want to get all your equipment mounted. You want to get your bus work done, your cable tray up. You want to get all your conduit bent. Once all those things are done, then you want to move into more the electrical side. You want to pull your cable. You want to form everything down. Everything needs to look perfect. So you want to be able to follow your cables down into the panel. You want to watch that cable terminate. You want it all to look beautiful. It needs to look like a picture. And then once everything is terminated, we go through a vigorous punch list given to us by our quality control manager. He will go through and point to point all of our cables just to make sure everything is where it needs to be. And he will also do a QC, a quality check. He will go through the entire project and nitpick the smallest of things because our customers expect perfection. Our customers are paying a lot more for these buildings, and they expect a certain level of quality that we have to give them. So we will go through this punch list procedure. We will complete all the items and more that we find, if there are any. And then the rest of the departments will finish up what they have to do, and we will ship the building out to the customer. If the customer gets anything, if they find anything that they don't like or they want changed, then it is our job to go out and fix those things. So we do get to travel. So we do have people that have never messed with this sort of thing, but their work ethic is why we keep them here. They want to learn, they will get better, we will make that investment, and they will turn out to be great electricians. Just about any community college around here will offer some sort of electrical program. And in that program you may see basic theory, construction 1 and 2, motors, transformers, circuitry, motor controls, PLCs, and all of those mesh together in those 2 years. So it exposes you to just a little bit of what's out there in the trade. On-the-job learning. That's the only way to excel. You can't learn everything from a book. And we need more people to step in and be electricians. We need more plumbers. We need more operators. We need more people in the trade industry. It's not all about a 4-year degree. In my opinion, electricity is like healthcare. There's always going to be a need for it. And that's something that can't be replaced with robotics. So there's always going to be, everything's always going to be changing. Electricity is always going to be changing. The need for power distribution is always going to be there. The more we build, the more we industrialize America, the more we need electricians.